Now that CrunchPay is set up, every new invoice you send includes convenient new payment options. Your customers can pay by card or with an instant bank transfer. Each invoice comes with a simple digital payment button. That means no more delays, and your customers can settle their invoice instantly right from their device. And for repeat customers with regular invoices, CrunchPay makes things even smoother. If the payment date and the amount stay the same, they can set up a direct debit mandate with just a simple click. With CrunchPay, getting paid is fast, simple, and secure, so you can focus on running your business and not chasing payments. Next, let's take a look at how you can track your CrunchPay payouts, view your balance, and keep an eye on your payment activity. You do have flexibility with your payout schedule. You can choose from manual payouts using the Payout Now button, or set it to run automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what works best for you. When a customer pays an invoice through CrunchPay, it'll appear in your balance and activity section. You'll see clear status labels to track where each payment is, and you can filter these to focus on what matters most. Want to know how much has actually landed in your account? Well, your total payouts, meaning funds paid by your customer and then paid out to you, are all visible right here. And for anything still on its way, like pending or upcoming payouts, you'll see the total clearly displayed next to your chosen payout schedule. With CrunchPay, you're always in control, from how and when you get paid to real-time insights into your cash flow.